Hey, what's up, guys? Just wanted to say, if you're watching this, sorry about the quality of the footage. Unfortunately, this is an old video, but I really like the creation. Hope you enjoy the video. See you later.